Hey guys, today we're going to change the fuel pump on this 2004 Oldsmobile Alero. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? It really helps me out a lot. Alright, we got the car in the air. First thing we're going to do, slide under here, take this out. So you just pull this and pull that back. Got that plug undone. And then there's a couple other things here. You need to unhook this hose right here. And this connector right here. And this connector right here. You will also need to unhook your filler neck right here. You can do that by unhooking that hose clamp, sliding that off. Okay, real quick I want to show you how these work. Basically, you need to pop this clip out like this. So I just took a flathead screwdriver, stuck it in here. Sorry, you can't see. Stuck it in here and pried this out till it popped out. You can kind of stick it in this way too, maybe, and get this to pop out. And once you get it popped out so that it looks like this, then you push it up, and that allows it to slip past this little ring on the connector. Alright, now we need to take out this bolt right here that's holding on this heat shield. Alright, now we're gonna undo the strap bolts here. They're nuts. There's one here, and there's one right there. At this time, it'd probably be a good idea to put a jack underneath your tank. That way you can not have it fall right on top of you. Alright, we got this strapped down. We're just going to take it out of the way so that it doesn't get broke. So what I'm going to do is push the gas tank back up. Then I'm just going to kind of twist this, and it should pop out of that slot there. There we go. Good. Then we don't have to worry about breaking that and having to buy a new one. Alright, now I'm going to just start letting the jack down and lowering this tank. What I'll probably end up doing, since how the exhaust is still here, is as this comes down, I'm going to try to pull it down this way so it slides out of there, or at least down far enough that I can access the fuel pump. Alright, here's where we're at. I'm going to try to pull it out a little bit more to make it easier to reach that fuel pump, but here's where we're at. Okay, we just pulled it out here into the grass, get closer to the electric cord because we're going to have to solder some new connections up. They put an upgraded plug on here. Not to worry. Got the wiring diagram right here. So let's get at it. First thing you need to do is turn this ring. So I usually just put like a pry bar or something here and hit it with a hammer. That knocks it loose. Alright, that's done. We probably should have unhooked our connectors first. Gotta pull this blue tab up, and then you can push this out and pull that out. And this one, just lift this tab up, pull. And this one, I think you gotta pinch these and pull it. Alright, everything's unhooked, and we just need to pop these out of here so that we can get these two lines that are attached to the pump out. Alright, now we're just gonna take our pump right out. Alright, getting that out was a little bit of a tight fit, but not too bad. Take your ring off, so we're gonna reuse that. And now we just need to put the new pump back in there. First we're gonna wire up the harness though. I'm gonna have a link down in the description below where you can get a new fuel pump on Amazon, along with some other stuff. If you want to, you can follow those links and buy there. If not, whatever, that's fine. Okay, we are going to be replacing this connector, the 4-pin. Not this one, the 4-pin. Not the 3-pin, the 4-pin. So go ahead and cut this off and strip the wires, get ready to solder a new connection on. Alright, this is how it ends up going. We've got our black and white wire here connected to the small black wire, which is the first one when the top nodule or the clip here is on the top. So it's that small black wire. Then we've got the gray to gray. It's a large gray wire, which is the second wire there. And then you've got purple to purple. That's the third wire. And then you've got the solid black to the large black wire, which is the fourth wire on the clip. So I'll show you the wiring instructions here one more time. Alright, at this point, I'm gonna wrap these up, put a new seal in here. We got a new seal, so we'll put a new seal in here. Make sure that's clean, and then put it back together the way you took it apart. This new pump has new clips here, so that's kind of nice. Here's a pro tip, I guess. If you want to check the pump before you put it back up, and you also want to empty some of the tank out so it's not so heavy, plug it in back where that connector goes. Stick the larger hose here, which is the sending line, into a tank here, and then you can jump the fuel pump relay like this. This is the fuel pump relay. Put a jumper wire right there, and you turn your key to the run position, and you'll start pumping out gas. Make sure that you're prepared. Doesn't go that fast, but it's a lot easier than other ways, I guess. And I hope this video is helpful. If it was helpful, can you just hit that thumbs up button for me? It really helps me out a lot. And thanks, and have a good one.